Flag on the go, me a flag on the go. I have some information for you to know. Greetings all my viewers and subscribers. What go on? Jano Star. Big shooting go on today on Trafalgar Road. That's right at Waterloo. And you know YMCA there? Yeah man. And New Kingston, Uptown. Near Lebanon there, you know YMCA the opposite. A straight road will bring you go to from Trafalgar Road to Waterloo Road. Yeah. Why? Man, them go kill a man, Robert Fletcher, and take away him license firearm and a large sum of money. And I can hear the voice note still. You see me? And also one piece of shooting star. Yo, I tell you. Nah, stop, you know. I see a perilous time right now. People have to leave them, have to go, they go look it. See? Says, do I die either? Right now, them family are way on the moon right now. Two dead, one apprehended. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know. I'm not going to see what I go on. You see my viewers and subscribers, I don't know star. Man, I'm just want to kill. Can't tell a man or a woman what to do, you know. You have to know right from wrong and be prepared to face your own judgment. Me can't tell a man to go thief, because at the end of the day, me can't look after a man and give him a mind him in big clocks and Nike or whatever. So me can't tell a man what to do. You only can give out the advice. See? And who want to take heed, listen and take heed. You see me? So them brother got lit down a man right now named Robert Fletcher. I've been licensed firearm. I think he's a businessman. So look like some program did I run. This is my analyzation. See my P's and Q's. So me put together. So look like some program did I run and some setup going on. See, and them hear about this man and know say yo yeah, him go collect the money there such and such time. I may say I have a couple of business and do a couple of things well for communities and so. So obviously them know say I have him firearm. And them know say him angle quite huge amount of money on regular occasion. So come like them run them program and do them maths and know when them go clue claps him catch him off guard and that go on. So them lick him down. See him? Lick him down a ground, take him like firearm, and look like when they were on the go now to get away, people could have called police and phone call and you know, things go on by WhatsApp quick. So look like police then nearby and them get a call and description of the vehicle. And what hold them up is the traffic. I feel them get caught up in that traffic car like traffic. Panay road and long, you know. There's always queue of large queue, you know, of vehicles, traffic jam Panay road there. Yeah man, this are the street with them hustle and sell them apple and them pineapple and them melon and mango and guinea and star, all type of things. You see, because see the traffic there, the people always there sell woman and man, see the hustlers them. But I'm just glad nobody get hurt like passerby or innocent people in them vehicle, commuters coming from work or going or you know. Yeah, I'm just glad nobody else get hurt. You see me? So two of the boys them dead. See, I'm not rejoice still, but that's how it go. You have to prepare to face the consequences of your judgment. So them go run them risk to feel them one and end up lose them 3 points. You see, my viewers and subscribers, the kings and queen, lion and lioness. But I have to give credit to the police them. Quick response, you know what I mean, and shoot up, one multiple shooting, multiple shot fired. You know what I mean? Big up White Shadow who first alerted me. I know White Shadow live near up on them side there, so he alerted me earlier on and said, yo, be a shot just fire and blah blah, wake him up, you see me? Before it went viral and them stuff there. So big up White Shadow. You see me? But me just have come by because you know me already. It's not about who first put out the story, you know, it's just as long as everybody have different views of delivering the story and the message, so me I do it, you see me? So I just want to say condolence to the three of them still. To the two of But my viewers and subscribers, you don't look over his note.
Police intercepted the killers and robbers of Robert Fletcher, where they stole his firearm and an undisclosed sum of money. The police engaged them at Waterloo by Devon House. I'm not sure what the outcome is at this time, but a shooting took place at Devon House. These are the guys who killed Robert Fletcher from Old Hope Road.
So you hear from yourself for yourself. These are the guys who killed Robert Fletcher. See? And that was before everything was confirmed. Shooting going and upon the gleaner with my Instagram, everybody have it up. You see me? So I'm going to show you some footage now of the shooting. You see me? I don't see it already. Jaja see, Jaja. I don't know, no. But the youths, there's other way out. See? There's other way out. You see me? Yeah. And then I forgot that way there. As I say, I'm not telling them what to do. See, I respect the whole of them, the whole of love. But we can't tell a youth to forget do. Man, I forgot face them one judgment. See? But there's other ways out. You see me? There's other way out. Can't give them a life, so. Who to tell them good about a young baby just born? Make it worse, him say them and go out there go look it. The driver could all innocent, the driver dead. You see? One of them run go over Abbey Court at the opposite. You see me? Trafalgar Road there. And then go dig him out. And then I say man boom like a rotted bad man. Watch him walk and a boom. You see me? Watch him walk and a boom. Like him happy saying get catch. See me, I'm sorry for him, but some beat me I'm gonna get right now in nasty road for now. You see me? I'm gonna get charged with murder. See? Yeah, Jaja star. There's other ways out, man. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Kings and Queen, my line and my lines. And to the youths, them. You see me? Remember a song me write long time, and I say, youths, put down the guns, them now. Don't throw your life away, boys. There is a way out. Somewhere, somehow. Youths, let your blessing fall on you. War is not the answer. It's the good things that you do. I go down on my knees and pray for the youth them of tomorrow and today. Respect your parents, don't disobey, because them want to figure out the right way. Yeah, man, you see me? When you gotta look out for it, all tune, but we're gonna voice them and shoot them out. But we are making know so the message there. There's other ways out. Zine, and to the elders, if you can talk to the youth them and try influence them, encourage them to do right. Don't just say them not listen and them are bad people. Sometimes the talking can't work and they may listen and looking at themselves. Zine, there's other way out. Yeah, man. We don't want to think in the comment section still, because nobody can say them innocent now, them, you see me? Them die red and deadly. See? And we have to big up the police them. Them did them job. So we have to commend them. You know, when we bash them, we bash them. But we have to commend them. Swift response, yeah. Great result. A lion foot and I'm out.